Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Jira issues from email. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to your Jira homepage. This is your main dashboard where all your projects are housed. From here, find the settings icon located at the top right corner of your screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select System. This will take you to the core of your Jira configurations. Now, scroll down until you find the section titled Mail Settings. Inside that section, you'll see an option called Incoming Mail. Click on it. This is where Jira manages and organizes the emails it receives. Next, look for the option that says Add Incoming Mail Handler and click on it. This feature allows you to define how emails are converted into Jira issues. You'll be prompted to enter a name for this mail handler. You'll also need to select the email server you've previously set up. Once you've chosen the mail handler name and server, the next step is selecting the mail handler type. This determines how incoming emails will be processed. Choose the one that best fits your workflow needs, then click Next to move forward. You'll now reach the configuration stage, where you'll define your email processing rules. Start by selecting the specific Jira project where the new issue should be created. Next, set the default issue type. It could be a bug, task, or story, depending on your project setup. Finally, choose the issue reporter, which is the user who will be listed as the creator of the issue. Once you've configured everything correctly, click on Add to confirm and activate your new mail handler. And that's it. So that is how you can create Jira issues from email. So that's all for this video. Thanks.